Hi, it's Bill the RV guy again with Leo's Vacation Center, and today we're going to do a quick 1-minute video of Cortes Campers. The new Cortes Campers built a true 4-season trailer capable of handling practically anything you can throw at them. Molded fiberglass all the way around, no wood anywhere in the unit. Cortes Campers are lighter, much stronger, and smarter than anything you've ever experienced in a travel trailer. Let's take a look. Come on in.